we're so happy that we're finally going to get this crack fixed. So it's way overdue. So we're driving to the city, passing this truck. Then our windshield is cracked and it starts to grow. So we checked in with Tesla to drop our car off, and then they told us that they no longer have loaner cars because apparently Tesla terminated their contract with Enterprise. I wish they communicated this earlier so that we could have been better prepared. Because it's just really inconvenient to Uber everywhere for a whole weekend. And possibly have to rent a car to go to work on Monday. So we decided not to replace the windshield with Tesla, and I think we're just gonna go through insurance. We wanted to do it through Tesla because they could calibrate the camera after they replace the windshield, but we're probably just gonna have to come back and do that another time. We scheduled an appointment with Safelite for 2 weeks out. Then the day before our appointment, they told us that the order was 6 weeks delayed for the glass. So we're just going to wait to hear back from them. It has been 3 months and 7 days, and we are finally going to get our windshield fixed. We still haven't heard back. And then we finally decided to go hit up Tesla again, and they were able to squeeze us in this weekend. So we're gonna try to go really early. Hopefully we're the first in line. Because when they messaged us in the app, they said it would only take 3 hours starting at 8 a.m.
So our guys won't come until 10 for glass.
Oh.
So we'll send you guys in an Uber, or if someone's picking you up, I don't know if you need an Uber or not.
Yeah, we're gonna need Uber. They're not coming till 10. I thought they were starting at.
I know, that's what I thought too.
That's misleading.
So they just told us that it could be from 8 to 5. Which sucks because we were only expecting to wait about 3 hours. We got a $100 Uber credit. So it is 3:24, but we've just been hanging out like at the malls and at the coffee shops, so we decided to just get a hotel room because I think the latest that they close is 8, so that would suck if it took until 8, but at least we're comfortable. Well, he's comfortable. They finally said we could pick up our car. It's like 7, but we'll see.